Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin spice pancakes. So let's get started. So place a skillet onto the stove over a medium-low heat so it's nice and hot for when the batter is ready. So this recipe makes about 8 4-inch pancakes. In a medium bowl, add in the flour, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. Whisk them together until they're combined. Then set it aside for now. Then in a small bowl, add in the pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. Buttermilk, egg, and melted butter, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. If the batter seems thick, add in a little more buttermilk until it reaches your desired thickness. To tell if the skillet is ready, sprinkle a little water into the pan. If the water slides across the pan before evaporating, it's ready. So when it is ready, grease the pan with butter. And scoop the batter into the pan. And cook them until they turn a golden brown color on the bottom. If they're browning too quickly, turn down the heat. When they're browned on the bottom, flip them over and cook the other side until it's golden brown. Then remove them from the skillet and place them onto a large plate. And continue cooking the rest of the pancakes. Then you can serve them with whatever you like. I'm adding some whipped cream and maple syrup. And that's how to make pumpkin spice pancakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.